Use a good amount of Himalayan salt when boiling your pasta till al dente. Oh, the ancho smoked pepper that I have from my harvest. I'm going to warm it up in a mortar and pestle. It adds such a wonderful smoky element to the pasta salad. The reason you do this is because over a while it's not as potent. So warming it up in a mortar and pestle will get the fullest potential of your spice that you work so hard in the garden to achieve. Ancho is ripe and dried poblano peppers. 3/4 of a cup of Sir Kensington classic mayo, and 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt. Double if you like your pasta salad super creamy. This is the ranch seasoning. It is green because it's more natural with the herbs. There is the ancho, and I'm going to use a whisk to make sure I have a wonderful consistency to my sauce. Just so you know, the pasta will absorb a little bit of the sauce, so if you want to add more, absolutely do so. Add a little spice with some red onion. It's delicious and adds another crunch element to your pasta dish. Poblano peppers add not heat, but a wonderful flavor of a pepper that is more ideal than a bell pepper, I highly suggest. Ooh, got some bacon. I'm gonna add that. Add a nice another smoky element plus a little touch of a texture. Mix well till combined. The sauce is ready to add the Cavatappi pasta noodles, which are fantastic for their texture, and I love that they're whole grain from Italy. Mix till everything is very well combined. Enjoy the light smoke and tangy flavor of this pasta dish. Thank you very much for viewing today.